Often, we need to check whether certain conditions are satisfied. For example, we may need to determine if a value, such as temperature, is within a certain range. Let's first define a comfortable temperature range for our friend. Anything higher than 15 degrees Celsius is too hot, while anything below -20 degrees is too cold. Now, we need to write code to check if the temperature value is within the defined range. So, how can we do this? Let's see how to use relational and logical operators to check if the temperature conditions are met. Assume the current temperature value is stored in the variable temp. Let's begin by looking at the question, is the temperature below 15 degrees Celsius? To answer this, we use the relational operator less than, as shown in this expression. In this case, we're checking if the value stored in the variable temp is less than 15. Because the temperature is less than 15 degrees, the result is 1. Notice that the result is a logical variable, which can only take the value of true or false. True is represented by 1, and false by 0. In this case, the result is 1 because the condition is true. Now, we need to determine if the current temperature is above -20 degrees Celsius. This time, we use the relational operator greater than. Looking at the values stored in temp, can you guess the result? If you guessed 1 corresponding to true, you got it right. So far, we've used the relational operators less than and greater than, but there are other relational operators to help us compare values. Now, although we checked two separate conditions, we still need to write a single expression to determine if the current temperature is within the comfortable range for our friend. To do this, we combine the two previous conditions using the AND operator. The result is true only if both conditions are satisfied. If the temperature changes and is not in the desired range, the result is false. We now have a single expression that represents a comfortable temperature range based on our original criteria. But if we wanted to check that only one condition is true, or that all conditions are false, we can choose the logical operator that fits our need. Now it's your turn. What relational operator will check if the temperature is exactly 15 degrees? If necessary, check the list of relational operators shown before. There's only one problem. It's too cold for someone else here.